Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find your friend's wish list on Steam. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is come down to your friends list on the bottom right, and you want to locate to whoever's profile you want to find wish list. In this case, I'm going to be searching for my friend Lenka, and I'm going to be using her profile as an example. What you want to do is go to the person's page that you want to find their wish list. And once you're on their page, you want to be clicking on their games panel on the right. From here on the top, we can see a bunch of different options of recently played, all games, wishlist, and reviews. We want to click on wishlist, and then once we're here, we're going to be able to see all the games they currently have on their wishlist. If you want to instantly go to the page store of one of the games, in this case, we can visit the page store on the right underneath the game panel, and then we can find all of the information about the game. We can even buy it straight away and gift it to them, and it's that easy to find someone's wishlist on Steam. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to leave a link down below to my PayPal if you found this video helpful and you want to support me. Of course, there's no pressure if you can't. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.